Today I'm going to show you how I make the tastiest wild-caught sea bass. Most of the time I use my air fryer to make foods crispy and crunchy, but from time to time I pan fry items for a soulful treat. So for this recipe, I'm going to show you how I use AIP compliant ingredients to season, coat, and fry this fish to deliciousness. I'm going to start with my flour. I'm doing a small batch here, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of cassava flour, 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, 1 tablespoon of pork panko, my rah-rah seasoning, which includes a little bit of salt. Then I'm going to mix it together. Off camera, I clean my fish with some fresh lemon, then I lightly season both sides with my AIP Table Blend seasoning, which includes garlic powder, onion powder, and ginger. I also added more of my rah-rah seasoning, which is a mixture of turmeric, garlic powder, onion powder, cilantro, salt, etc. I encourage you to season with the compliant seasonings that you like. I don't typically measure my seasonings. I just shake them until the spirit of my ancestors tell me to stop. Then I lightly dredge the seasoned fish in the flour mixture. I make sure that my frying pan was on medium-high heat. If it's too low, grain-free flours will get gummy. We don't want gummy, we want crispy. I fry in 2 parts avocado oil to 1 part coconut oil. When all of your fish is coated and the oil is hot, gently place a few pieces in the pan. Don't crowd it too much. 3 to 4 pieces of small fish in a pan this size work perfectly. After about 4 minutes and they're golden, flip those fillets and cook them for another 3 minutes or so till they're golden on the other side. Then you want to put them on some paper towel to drain, and you want to immediately sprinkle lightly with a little salt. Here's a picture of a larger batch that I made a few days prior. This recipe is my picky kid and husband approved, so this AIP compliant dish can be enjoyed by all. I'm telling you, put a plate of this on the table and watch how fast it disappears. Let me know in the comments what you think about this recipe and if you have a chance to try it. Thanks for watching.